Now this is the unit. It consists of speed control here, that's the maximum, back to the minimum, and there's a toggle switch with a centre off, and you just flick it to the direction you want to travel in. The unit has also a transistor mounted on the back, and at this stage there's no heatsink with it because it's going to be used just intermittently, but apparently it can warm up if you have motors that draw a fair bit of current, or you try and double head. So that could be something that's added in the future. Maybe I'll put a heat sink on there, but there's advice in the instructions about doing that. But at this stage it's only being used for the yard, and it's not going to be on most of the time, so I don't think I'll worry about it. And you know, the train's got to travel 5 feet and then stop, so no big deal. Now we're going to do a little bit of testing on this little handheld controller I made. We'll just see how smooth it is. Not too bad. That'll do nicely. Now we can try old Smoky Joe here as another example. Now most of you folks will know these things go like a scalded cat when you give them a bit of power, so it'd be interesting to see just what happens when we give it a bit of gentle power. It's not too bad. Back the other way. Yeah, that's quite acceptable. Very good. Here's another example. This is a little pannier that I have. It's one of the original branch line models. Not a great runner, smooth by any means. That's not too bad. I can live with that. Okay. Now this is the way things are supposed to happen. What we do is bring a train into the yard. It's just entering now. This is all under the control of the little handheld. Now the loco reverses back onto the uncoupling ramp. And then forward. Then we set the release rode. And now the loco can back up along the release road. Out into the exit road, where it can either continue on or re-engage with the train. In this case we'll get it to re-engage with the train, so we reset the road so that the loco can re-engage. Now we back the loco up to the train. And then draw the train out of the yard.